are finally leaving Colombia, Cartagena tomorrow. And we had a nice dinner at the Diles, at the restaurant close to the marina. A nice music and good food. We had a good time in this country.
I love Colombia, can't wait to come back. People, culture, the city, Cartagena is amazing. We'd love to come back and check out Medellin and Bogota next time. We just ran out of time. And nothing but great things to say about Colombia. Just amazing.
Sakura, do you want to say about Colombia something? No, comment. What's the highlight? Great experience. Definitely want to come back. Yeah. We have a big day, big 4-5 days. Going to Cartagena, from Cartagena to Jamaica. This is a very after for a while, a long time. We are on a passage, and I'm on seasick medication. Bye bye, Cartagena. What do you think, Captain?
Time to get in touch with the port control, as usual. The last time we came here, we couldn't get in touch with the port control to tell them that we're leaving. So I don't know, we're just going to leave without saying anything to the port control, because I've messaged them like 5 times already. But love Cartagena. Beautiful place, great people, fantastic culture. Very happy with our stay here. Time to move on. Happy, sad. Happy to be moving on to our next destination. Sad to be leaving Cartagena and all the wonderful people that we met there.
Yeah. Sakura is still sleeping. This is 7 o'clock. We head off.
We're heading over this famous wall right now that the Spanish built to keep out the British, and we're heading over it now, and it's about 20 feet underneath us at the moment. It's at the short entrance, but the Spanish just dumped a whole bunch of stones in here to keep the British out. So as you can see, it's a bit rocky. 14 feet. I saw 14 feet over. We are looking at a pretty gnarly passage, but we got to get out of here. It's the best chance we got to get out of Colombia. So we've been waiting for this for a while. So glad that we're heading out. But like I said, it's a happy, sad situation. Anyways, I'm going to concentrate on getting the hell out of here. That's O'Nally, that's our buddy boat. They just went over the wall. It's pretty cool. So as expected, it's an extremely rough passage. We've got 25 to 30 on the nose. We've got probably 4 to 6 feet of waves coming directly at us. The current is a little bit with us, I think, which is nice because it wasn't like that before. It was kind of against us. It's really rocky. We just having lots of waves coming straight over the bow, and we've had to close up the enclosure a little bit because it just keeps on coming in. The water just keeps on coming into the boat, to the cockpit, so we had to close it off. Overall, it's as expected, so it's not like we didn't expect this, so. But it's wild. We're gonna hug the coast of Colombia, heading up to Barranquilla. Hopefully around dusk, we will head more north to head towards Jamaica. And that's the plan. Day 3 of our trip to Jamaica. Crew's beat up. It's super rough crossing. Right now we're moving in the direction of Kingston. Just really confused seas. Out of the gate they were like 6 to 8 feet, between 20 and 30 knots on the nose, so we were just like bashing right into it. It mellowed out second day a little bit. We were still, getting some big waves, like 4 to 6 feet on the starboard bow. We were getting consistent above between 20 and 25 knots of wind. But then last night it picked up 25 to 30 knots. It lasted kind of all night long. Now we're in 30 knots, between 25 and 30 knots of winds, and it's probably 6 to 8 feet seas again. But at least they're kind of hitting out more on the beam. They're still on the starboard bowish side, but more on the beam side. Boss threw up, Sakura threw up. I'm feeling seasick, and I don't feel seasick, so it's just brutal. Having charging issues. Unfortunately, the alternator is not really charging the batteries very well. I only get like half-hour charge, and even then it's only like 30 amps an hour, so I'm 15 amps in. It's concerning. And then, of course, our backup generator isn't working either. So we have solar today. We're gonna see how much solar we get. See if we can charge those batteries up, because without the batteries, we lose everything: radar, autopilot, ability to charge our phone, stuff, right? So it's major. So we turned off the fridge and freezer. We're trying to conserve power. That's not good. Worst case scenario, I can try rebuilding the car, stripping it down, cleaning it, rebuilding it. But right now we're healing like 20 degrees, like heavy seas. Not good. I had to look at it last night. I took it apart last night, but I had to go deeper. I was just too seasick to do it yesterday. We were all good. We're gonna make it, but we knew it was gonna be rough. It's everything we expected, really. Everything we expected. So 4 days of hell, but once we're there, we'll be up north. And hopefully it will be easier sailing. We still have some easterlies to do here and there, but they won't be as bad as this, because we can plan it better. Getting out of Colombia is like really, really tough. So you just kind of gotta wait for the perfect window, and the perfect window is like generally garbage. But that's the best you're gonna get. I mean, at least you fluke out, which some people do. Not us. So I'm just waiting for the solar to hopefully kick in a little bit here. Right now we're heeling right over, so the sun's coming up in the east and we're kind of heeling over to the west. So the sun's not really getting up to the solar. The boat is a complete mess. Boss peed all over the cockpit as well. We got pee, we have vomit in here. It's just awful. Yeah, sailing. So we're gonna try and make it to the east side of Jamaica. We may have to head to Kingston. We'll have to see. We're flying though. We're going between 7 and 9 knots right now. Just like flying. I've had waves actually go straight over the bow and over the dodger for the first time. Like, I've never had waves like spray come right over the top of the boat. Like crazy. Like dripping inside the cockpit like crazy. Never had that before. So that's first. I think Boss peeing in the cockpit might be a first too. So yeah, of course you get no sleep on these passages. You're just gonna close your eyes and you have weird dreams. I guess that's 5 minutes. I guess I should probably call it quits. Okay. Joke that I heard about sailors. Why do sailors prefer sailing over golf or tennis or racquetball? Because with sailing, you need 2 balls. This is our 3rd night, and we're all very seasick now. Caribbean Sea is just brutal compared to the Pacific. When you're in the Pacific, you can get 20-foot seas, but they're 14 seconds apart, 13 seconds, even 11 seconds apart. It makes a huge difference. Here, you can get 8 to 10-foot seas, and they seem sometimes like they're 4 seconds apart, or 6 seconds apart, and they just one after the next, bang, 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 bang. Extremely difficult to walk on the boat. Very difficult sail for sure.
Finally, we are going to check in and to drop the anchor. I can't wait to rest for the not wobbly, horrible sea.
We made it to Jamaica. We are currently at the Royal Jamaican Yacht Club in Kingston, Jamaica. It is absolutely fabulous here. The view is amazing. Unfortunately, it is a bit stinky. There's a lot of stuff around here that makes it a little bit polluted, unfortunately. But putting that aside, absolutely amazing view here. Our boat's just out there.
すっごくタンカーがすっごく近かったの。だから今はもう行っちゃったからカメラはできないんだけど、ちょっと貸して。ちょっとは見せれるかも。見せれ。前はすごく近かったんだけど、少し時間かかっちゃって、あんまり今はあんまりまあまあだね。あんまり近くないけど、カメラのせいでちょっと遠くなっちゃう。本当は本当に近かってもすごく遠く見えちゃう。このカメラズームインできないから。だけど前はここだったの。すごかった。すっごく近かったの。だからここタンカーがいっぱいいるの。いっぱいあるの、タンカーが。だからもう一つ近くなったら教えるね。